Art in 3 minutes. Welcome to Art with Professor Shurts. Let's make some potato prints today. Potatoes. Have fun with it. Hey, it could be wrapping paper. For your supplies, ink. I'm using a speedball ink that's good for lino cuts. Also, a non-absorbent surface will be very, very helpful. And then you need a roller. A speedball roller can work great. Potatoes. Any potato will do. It can be an old potato like this one. So in addition to the potato, you'll be needing a knife. With printmaking, it's like a mirror. And you're creating the reverse of what you carve. So important. Work to carve away your image and you try to gain control of the movement, you need to take more breaks than you expect. Otherwise, you're going to get hurt. All right? Okay, but for today, harmless. You have to draw in your design. If you want to pre-draw it on a separate piece of paper to work out your ideas, that's always an excellent plan. Think of the negative space and a very simple image. Paper, so you want it to be deep enough. I made mine about a little more than 1/4 of an inch deep. Now think design, step and repeat. It's kind of like polka dot. It's a pattern that you can have a simple image repeated. Here are some examples. What image do you want to make? Potatoes. Please make a print in step and repeat pattern. The roller is ready when it has a tacky sound, meaning the roller is ready on the ink and it's prepared the ink when it sounds kind of tacky. Here, I'm testing it out. Just seeing like how many times am I able to use it before it starts to fade away too much. Here's where you get to test out your step and repeat pattern. Any sort of paper will do. The larger piece of paper, the better. Let it be some paper for a special event. Wrapping paper. And voila! Your potato prints are a success. Thank you for making art with me. What should I make next? Follow and like for more videos.